Hello.
Hi. How are you?
What's your name?
My name is Tomas.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Korea.
What do you do?
I'm an actor.
Do you like books? What kind?
I like stories about space.
What do you like to do for fun?
I paint pictures. It's fun.
Do you watch or play sports?
I play basketball. It's fun.
Are you up early or late?
I stay up late. It's quiet.
Where do you dream of visiting?
I want to see Iceland.
Do you have any animals?
I have a dog. His name is Max.
What new thing do you want to try?
I want to play the guitar.
What is one thing you always need?
I need my phone to talk to friends.
What do you do on weekends?
I like walking in the woods.
Do you like to make food? What do you make?
Yes, I like cooking. I make a special rice dish.
Do you have a favorite color?
I like yellow. It's pretty.
What's your favorite movie?
I like a funny movie about animals.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one sister. She's older.
Do you travel on a bus or train?
I drive my car to go places.
What's your favorite ice cream?
I love chocolate ice cream.
Do you like the beach or mountains?
I like mountains. They're quiet.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like apples. They're sweet.
Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning?
I drink tea. It's warm.
What season do you like best?
I like summer. It's sunny.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I want to play guitar. It sounds nice.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, swimming is fun. I like the water.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dogs. They are friendly.
Do you have a favorite song?
I like songs that are happy and fast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread. It's good.
Do you like to watch TV?
Yes, I watch shows about nature. They're interesting.
Do you prefer hot or cold weather?
I like warm weather. Not too hot.
What's your favorite snack?
I enjoy eating popcorn. It's tasty.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, dancing is fun. I laugh a lot.
What's your favorite holiday?
I like New Year. It's exciting.
Do you like to draw or color?
I like to draw. I make pictures of my dog.
Do you wear glasses?
No, I see fine without them.
What's your favorite vegetable?
I like carrots. They're crunchy.
Do you use a computer or phone more?
I use my phone more. It's easy.
What color is your car?
My car is red. It's bright.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, singing is fun. I sing loud.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning.
Do you have a favorite place to go?
I like the park. It's peaceful.
What's your favorite thing to wear?
I like wearing jeans. They're comfortable.
Do you like rain?
Yes, rain is nice. It sounds good.
What's your favorite thing to do with friends?
I like to play games. We laugh a lot.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, I drink milk. It's good for you.
Do you have a garden?
No, but I like flowers. They're pretty.
What's your favorite day of the week?
I like Saturdays. No work, just relax.
Do you like to read before bed?
Yes, reading makes me sleepy. It's nice.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love cake. It's sweet and yummy.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, shopping is nice. I find new things.
Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I collect stamps. They tell stories.
Do you like to ride a bike?
Yes, riding a bike is great. It's fast and fun.
What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
I like to watch movies. It's cozy.
What's your favorite thing to drink when it's hot?
I drink lemonade. It's refreshing.
Do you have a lucky number?
Yes, my lucky number is 7. It's good luck.
Do you like to go on walks?
Yes, walks are nice. I see new things.
What's your favorite thing about your home?
I love my bedroom. It's comfortable and mine.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, the beach is fun. I like the sand and sea.
Do you have a favorite place in the city?
I like the library. It's quiet and full of books.
What's your favorite thing to do in the morning?
I enjoy breakfast. It's a good start to the day.
What do you do when you're tired?
I rest or sleep. It makes me feel better.
Do you enjoy puzzles?
Yes, puzzles are fun. They make me think.
What's your favorite snack?
I like chips. They're crunchy and tasty.
Do you prefer movies at home or in the theater?
I like movies at home. It's comfortable.
Do you have a favorite flower?
Yes, I like roses. They're beautiful and smell nice.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I enjoy picnics. They're fun with friends and family.
Do you like to use social media?
Yes, it helps me stay in touch with friends.
Do you have a favorite holiday tradition?
Yes, I like decorating the house. It feels festive.
Do you have a favorite plant?
I like cacti. They're easy to take care of and look cool.
Do you have a favorite ice cream flavor?
Yes, strawberry. It's sweet and a bit tangy.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, hiking is adventurous. I love being in nature.
What's something you're looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to a concert. I love live music.
What's your favorite color to wear?
I like to wear blue. It feels calm and looks good.
What's your favorite thing to do on a lazy day?
Watching old movies. It's nice and relaxing.
What's your favorite type of sandwich?
I love chicken sandwiches. They're tasty and filling.
Do you like to go to museums?
Yes, museums are interesting. I learn a lot.
What's your favorite thing to do with your family?
Playing board games. We have fun and laugh together.
Do you have a favorite museum or gallery?
I like art galleries. Seeing different paintings is inspiring.
What's a skill you'd like to learn?
I'd like to learn a new language. It opens up the world more.
Do you like to listen to podcasts?
Yes, I listen to podcasts about stories. They're interesting.
Do you enjoy going for walks at night?
Yes, night walks are peaceful. The stars are beautiful.
Do you have a favorite park?
Yes, there's a park near my house with lots of trees. It's my favorite.
What's your favorite way to spend time outdoors?
I love having picnics. Eating outside is fun.
Do you like to watch sports?
I watch soccer. It's exciting and fast.
What's your favorite fruit juice?
I enjoy orange juice. It's sweet and fresh.
What's something new you'd like to try?
I'd like to try kayaking. It looks fun and adventurous.
Do you have a favorite quote?
Yes, live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. It's inspiring.
What's your favorite kind of weather for a day off?
Sunny and warm. Perfect for being outside.
Do you enjoy stargazing?
Yes, looking at the stars is beautiful and relaxing.
What's your favorite season for fashion?
I like autumn fashion. Sweaters and boots are cozy.
What's a book you'd recommend to a friend?
I'd recommend a mystery book. They're exciting and make you think.
Do you like to make crafts?
Yes, making crafts is creative and fun.
Do you have a favorite type of tea?
I like green tea. It's refreshing and healthy.
What's your favorite comfort food?
Mashed potatoes. They're warm and comforting.
Do you prefer the city or countryside?
I prefer the countryside. It's peaceful and beautiful.
Do you like to go fishing?
I haven't gone much, but it seems peaceful and fun.
What's your favorite gadget?
I really like my headphones.
Do you enjoy writing letters or emails more?
I enjoy writing emails. They're quick and easy.
Do you prefer sunrise or sunset?
Sunset. The colors in the sky are beautiful.
What's your favorite type of bread?
I love freshly baked sourdough. It's tangy and delicious.
Do you enjoy learning about history?
Yes, history is fascinating. It helps us understand the world.
Do you like to cook new recipes or stick to familiar ones?
I like trying new recipes. It's exciting to taste different flavors.
What's your favorite kind of pie?
Apple pie. It's classic and tastes like home.
Do you like to go on road trips?
Yes, road trips are fun. Discovering new places is exciting.
What's your favorite thing about the ocean?
I love the sound of the waves. It's calming.
Do you have a favorite childhood memory?
Playing in the park with friends. We had so much fun.
Do you prefer cold or warm drinks?
Warm drinks. They're comforting, especially in the morning.
What's your favorite way to relax after a long day?
Taking a long walk. It helps me clear my mind.
Do you have a favorite artist or band?
I like many, but I especially enjoy listening to classic rock bands.
What's something you're grateful for today?
I'm grateful for good health. It's important to appreciate it.
Do you have a favorite type of tree?
I like oak trees. They're strong and majestic.
What's your favorite kind of chocolate?
Dark chocolate. It's rich and a bit bitter.
Do you like to visit zoos or aquariums?
I prefer aquariums. Watching fish is relaxing.
What's a movie genre you tend to avoid?
Horror movies. They're too scary for me.
What's your favorite way to exercise?
Jogging. It's a great way to stay active and clear my head.
Do you enjoy learning about other cultures?
Yes, it's fascinating. It helps me understand the world better.
What's your go-to song when you need to feel motivated?
An upbeat pop song. It lifts my mood instantly.
What's your favorite way to spend time with friends?
Having a meal together. It's nice to chat and enjoy good food.